Hey YouTube, Chosen 7x7 here. Today I'd like to bring to you a very nice EDC. This is a very affordable, around 70 bucks EDC. And what I really liked about it, it's one of the last of the Lone Wolf knives actually produced by Lone Wolf. This is the Lone Wolf Longhorn. Plain G10 scale, stone wash blade, combination blade, steel liners, liner lock, very deep riding pocket clip, left or right carry, little jimping on the back of the spine there, black G10 back spacer. But what I liked about this, I thought was very reasonable. I don't know if you can make that out. This is an S30V, S30V steel. Blade length, 3.5 inches. Ooh, that tip is wicked. Overall, 7.9. Excellent EDC. Great blade, premium blade steel. And a relatively inexpensive, $70 may be a lot of money, but I think it's well worth it for the premium steel. Ergonomics on this blade is excellent. Very nice. And there are very few of these out here now. There's still, like Knife Center, Knife Works may have a few, and some of the other smaller retailers, but they're becoming limited because of the premium steel that comes with them. So if you're in the market for an excellent medium-sized EDC with premium steel, relatively inexpensive, check out the Lone Wolf Longhorn. This is Chosen 7x7. Peace.